I'm Steph.
Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm Richard, and today in our kitchen we're attempting for the first time ever to install vinyl snap-in flooring. First, let's show you the kitchen. This is it right here. We've dug out the cabinets. Yeah. In fact, we haven't even moved the appliances out or taken the doors off the hinges, so we're going to do that right now. Okay, we have our flooring in the kitchen, all 5 boxes. We also have our tools, tin snipper, razor, tapping block, and a rubber mallet. Get some help here. Yeah, pull those right out. All right. All right, let's get to it.
You're not supposed to go the whole way up against the wall.
How far away from the wall do I go?
You're supposed to leave like 1/8 of an inch.
Now, what about underneath here?
The door jambs,
Yeah.
you're supposed to cut those out.
We realized that as soon as we started laying down the flooring, we hadn't done the toe jambs yet for the doorways. So we're gonna cut that out right now. At least these two, right?
Yes. At least those two.
What'd I say?
Toe jambs.
We're totally amateurs at this, but it's okay. It's an old house and makes for a good video. I think a lot of people watching might also be new to installing this type of flooring. I've already scratched up my wood a little bit there, cutting this out by hand using that saw. Can hold it up. Yeah. Because we don't have the expensive tools, we didn't rent them. But I am about to measure this right here and cut this and then put it right underneath the section that we cut out there. Pretty good.
Looks good.
If I had that dug out a little more, I could go in further here. I'm gonna lay down the second row now and then try and fill up all the way to right here. And they say that you're supposed to cut one of these in half and start the second row way down there. This one won't snap together though. It's gotta go like this.
You're getting it. You're getting it.
That's how it looks. Is that okay?
I love it.
Oh. Well, see, we have a little issue here. So I guess I should just cut a little tiny piece.
Maybe. Yeah.
Either that or redo it. I've actually decided to cut a new piece for this corner right here with a different measurement, and I don't know if this is gonna work, but we're gonna give it a shot. It's gonna make it much more precise and pleasing to the eye for this corner. All right, it's not perfect, but we have our cut. We're gonna try it. What do you think?
Looks so much better. Nice job.
Thank you. It's still not. I could have went way. I feel like doing it again. See what's going on up here. You doing some painting?
Some painting.
You about to roll it, or you already started?
I already started. I did one wall. This one.
Oh, looks good.
Thank you.
Oh, I'm glad you're doing this.
I knew you would be.
Nice work, baby. Okay, I've got this much done, and I'm just gonna set the camera up on a tripod, show you how I snap this one long piece in right here. Okay, this is as close as I was able to get finished tonight. we moved the stove in here. And oh, the meat of the kitchen is finished. Got all the way over here in the corner. Flooring there. Got a bunch of cut up pieces here that I just don't fit in anywhere. They might be useful finishing up the closet, but I won't know until tomorrow. It's close to 3 a.m. Let's take, oh, it's 3:06. Ooh. For a first timer, it's a really good experience, but it's taxing. I can feel, especially in my knees. If I didn't have this pillow, I would have been out of luck. Anyways, I hope that this video was useful for you or that you enjoyed it. And subscribe for more DIY videos. We're just getting started in this house. Thanks for watching. That's it. Hasta luego. Okay, you guys, we've stepped out of the house. Got our walking shoes on.
Well, I need to buy walking shoes, but this is going to prompt me to buy walking shoes sooner.
Yep. We're going for a walk, first walk. It's too warm today not to.